Dear students, welcome once again in this series of video lessons for Standard 4 Computer Science. This is the first video lesson of Evaluation 3. In today's video lesson, you will learn about Microsoft PowerPoint. We will cover the following topics in today's video lesson. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? How to start MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint interface, Office button, quick access toolbar, ribbon, etc. So let us begin with today's video lesson. So what is MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows us to add animation to our text, graphics, tables, movies and other objects. So basically it is used to make a presentation. Various features of MS PowerPoint will be more clear to you when we explore the features. When you make any presentation, a PowerPoint file will be made. A PowerPoint file has an extension .ppt or .pptx. An icon of PowerPoint file looks as shown in the picture. How to start MS PowerPoint? In your computer, if you want to start MS PowerPoint application, then you can follow the following steps. First of all, click on the Start button. Then click on All Programs. And search for Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Office. The list of various applications of MS Office will be visible. Out of that, you select Microsoft PowerPoint and click on that. In this way, you can start MS PowerPoint application in your computer. This is the opening screen of Microsoft PowerPoint. Various features of this opening window we will study in our next slides. So this is the opening screen of MS PowerPoint. As you can see in the image, it has various buttons like Office button, then you have title bar, ribbon, slides and outline tab, status bar, view buttons, zoom button, etc. So all these buttons are used for various functions. We are going to learn what is the use of these various controls that are available on MS PowerPoint opening screen. As you can see, one presentation is open in the window. On the left hand side top corner, you have Office button. If you click on this Office button, there's various options like File, New, Save, etc. will get open. On the right hand side of Office button, we have Quick Access toolbar. By default, on Quick Access toolbar, Save, Undo and Redo button appears. Besides Quick Access toolbar, you have a title bar. On title bar, the name of file will appear. Then below that, we have ribbon. On the ribbon, you have various menus like Home, Insert, Design, etc. When you click on any of this menu, the menu options will be visible. Then you have Slides and Outline tab. Slides are nothing but pages that are there in your presentation. By default, the Slides tab is active. Slide tab displays the thumbnail of all your slides. If you click on the Outline tab, then you can see the text that is present in your slides. So Outline tab is used to display the text contents of your presentation. Then below these tabs, you have a status bar. Status bar displays the total number of slides in your presentation. It also displays which slide is currently active. For example, if you click on this slide, then it will show you the status like slide 2 of 6, means there are total 6 slides and slide number 2 is now active. Then you have view buttons where various views like normal, slide sorter and slideshow view is available. By default, the normal view is active. When you click on slide sorter, then all the slides you can view at a glance. And when you click on slideshow option, then the slideshow of your presentation will start. Besides the view buttons, we have zoom slider where you can zoom in and zoom out your slide. When you zoom out the slides, the slide will become smaller and smaller, and when you zoom in your slide, then it will become bigger. So in this way, you can zoom your slide by using zoom slider. So these are some basic functions available in the opening window of MS PowerPoint. Some other functions we will learn in the next video lesson. Next week, in second video lesson, you will learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation, how to save a presentation, how to open a presentation, and various types of slide layout. I hope you must have understood today's topic. So see you next week with video lesson 2. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care.